What's going on YouTube, man? What a day that's going on in crypto and stocks as well. It's just a lot of excitement in the space right now, especially with Dogecoin. Dogecoin definitely hit an all-time high. As you can see here, it's up 202% and within the last 24 hours. So definitely high, and it hit its all-time high, as we can see here, about 2 hours ago, 0.024 cents. But so it did drop down a little bit, but yeah. And you can see all-time low with Dogecoin was this low, which is about 5 years ago. So just kind of give you some data there on Dogecoin. If I go to the max by looking at the price of Dogecoin, you can see on the charts as well right here that, man, Dogecoin definitely has these low points and it really spikes. Dogecoin is definitely at a moment where it spiked again and hit an all-time high. And if you guys scroll down below and go to CoinGecko.com, you guys get all this information as well that I'm looking at. You can see, kind of get a glimpse of what Dogecoin is. I did mention this before. Dogecoin is just a meme coin. It doesn't really do anything other than you can do peer-to-peer transactions with each other. So if you go to the website for Dogecoin, go to Dogecoin.com. Make sure you go to the official site, because there are a lot of scammers in the space that's trying to take your cryptocurrency. But yeah, this is Dogecoin.com, and you can watch the video on Dogecoin just to get a little bit more information about what it is. But yeah, all it is just a meme coin. It's a fun and friendly internet currency. And so a lot of people is buying Dogecoin because, for one, because it's very, very cheap to a lot of people. Anything that's considered cents on the dollars, right? Underneath a dollar or pennies on a dollar. A lot of people that comes into the space that are new, a lot of new people get in the space as well, don't really know what it is, and they just see that it's a good time to buy it because it's so cheap. And then, you know, if you get spot opportunities, you could have been buying those as well underneath a 1 cent, and you could have, you know, definitely be in a nice position right now and probably taking profits because it definitely spiked up high in a short period of time. And when something spikes this high, just trying to look at the percentage gain here, which is about 250% within the last 24 hours, right? Today's 28. Today, when this started to pick up, a lot of buyers started to come in here about last night and shot this cryptocurrency up to the moon, right? And we call this parabolic moves. So when you see something go parabolic like this, all that means is, right, when you see this huge spike up like this is considered parabolic, right? So go to Google, type in, I was looking at the meme coin parabolic move meaning, and it'll tell you exactly what it is. And this happens with stocks and cryptocurrency. So this is just a pattern that is well known and you can see it if you know how to spot this and look at the charts. What is the parabolic move? All it's saying is here is that, trying to get a good definition for you guys here. So if I go to this one, so a parabolic, in this case, it's stock, right? This is happening with stocks or crypto. So a parabolic stock is a stock that has seen an exponential increase in its stock price, right? In this case, Dogecoin, this is a cryptocurrency. We have seen that pattern in here, right? We're trying to get some lessons out of this and make informed decisions, right? This happened in a short amount of time, so this is considered parabolic, right? And usually when something go parabolic like this, peaks so high, eventually sellers start to sell, because a lot of people that buy in here is definitely in profit territory, and it makes sense to take profits. And the people that buy up here is going to be holding the bag momentarily, meaning that they're going to hold the bag because it's going to sell off, and buyers are going to sell their position, get their profits, and they're going to buy in and hold it, and hopefully it holds the line and then goes back up, or it might just goes down, right? So just want to touch bases on Dogecoin and just kind of enlighten on people what Dogecoin is. The reason why I don't have Dogecoin a part of my portfolio is because, like I said, it's just a meme coin. It doesn't have any real use case as far as it being like a blockchain or having some type of smart contract functionality to it. And not only that, there's a shitload of supply of Dogecoin out there. 128 billion Dogecoin circulating in the open market. So that's another reason why I don't have Doge long term. However, this is a great cryptocurrency to trade. I'm definitely watching Doge. A lot of people saying Doge is going to hit $1. I don't believe Doge can hit $1, but who knows, man? Anything can happen in these markets. So that's why it's always good to look at the charts. If you don't have a TradingView account, go ahead and go to tradingview.com and create your account and follow along with these videos that I'm pushing out, so you guys can get a look at things like this and look at opportunities, so you guys can make informed decisions to see if it's opportunity to buy or should you not touch this. And for me, I wouldn't touch this because it just shot up so fast, and usually there's going to be some type of pullback. So that's it on Dogecoin. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know what cryptocurrencies you guys are looking at, and we're going to keep this video pushing out.